What are the common causes of infertility in the woman or the female partner? One of the most important causes of infertility and this day and age is anovulation, or a problem with releasing the egg in the right time. So this could be presenting as irregular periods or inability to have regular cycles. So one of the most important cause for this is polycystic ovarian syndrome, or what is popularly known as PCO. The other problems could be an abnormality in the tubes or infection of the tubes which causes blockage in the tubes. Now again, with increasing age at marriage, there could be a problem with the number of eggs that the lady has, or there could be a problem with the quality of those eggs also. The other problem could be pelvic inflammatory disease, important among which is even tuberculosis. Remember, though we are a developing country, almost on the verge of being a developed country, we still are a country where tuberculosis is very, very common. So infections or pelvic inflammatory disease is an important cause for infertility. Obesity or excessive body weight or very low weight can also cause infertility in the woman. How do we look for, or how do we test for infertility in the woman? Generally, all fertility specialists test for the fertility status of the woman right from the second day of the periods. That means today, if the lady has got her periods, the next day, starting of the periods, then the next day would be the day 2 of her cycle. We schedule for a scan, a pelvic internal scan to check for the uterus. How is the uterus? Is there any other problem? Is there any fibroid in the uterus, or if everything is okay? How does the ovaries look? What is the antral follicle count, or what is the number of eggs that she may have at that moment? So we check for all of those on a scan. We also do a few hormonal blood tests on the second day of the period. These are important to find out if again adequate number of eggs are present in the lady. We may also do a few other general hormonal tests like thyroid and prolactin. A week to 10 days into her periods, we check the lady's tubal status either by doing an HSG, which involves injecting a dye and taking an X-ray of the abdomen, or doing a laparoscopy, wherein we put a small laparoscope through the belly button and then check if everything is okay with the uterus, the tubes and the ovaries. We could also do other blood tests to find out about the general health of the lady. So those are the important tests that we check for to find out if there is any particular reason for infertility.